Okay, welcome back to Deepdene Park. So this is several hours later after I shot that last video. I'm actually running back, but I came back through the park and I just wanted to show you this. Look at the light. This is yet another bridge. I'm over on the, what would it be, the north side of that creek that I was showing you earlier. And I just wanted to show you the interior of this thing now, later in the afternoon with this light. I'm going to start over here looking east, just so you can see this, because I'm just going to take my time and pan around, because it's magnificent. Again, this is part of the Olmsted Linear Park series of parks that runs down Ponce de Leon Avenue in Atlanta, Georgia. If you can see through those trees, but that's residential area back there. That's Druid Hills, part of Druid Hills. I'm going to come back around, and then I'm going to look east. This is where I'm seeing some unbelievable light, just gorgeous, gorgeous light in the trees in the forest, and maybe I can capture it on video. Let's see. Okay, basically looking almost into the sun. But look at this. I can't wait to see what this is going to look like in the fall. This is just spectacular. We are so fortunate to people like Jenny and others that basically laid down in front of bulldozers, 30 years ago and preserved this park. That's down in the gully. That is a sight for sore eyes right there. I'm looking straight up at the sky.